Hi folks, Russ with ProSteam here. Today we have a slightly unusual job. It's actually the fabric on a bed. Now this is no cheap bed. This is an expensive bed. The fabric is a cotton linen, and as you can see there are stains. Quite possibly that's a spillage from maybe tea or coffee or something. And we've got some other marks down here, not quite sure what that is yet. There's dog hairs that need to be removed. We'll give it a thorough vacuum. The usual kind of marks that you can see right now are the hair oils that have migrated into the fabric, especially over that side there. So the label says dry clean only. Dry cleaning will not remove any of these marks. Okay, so we have to approach this in a completely different way. So we're going to be using a specific product today, designed to work with cotton linen. And but before we do, we need to give this fabric a thorough vacuum. Right, we're kind of halfway through this headboard. But it's not a headboard, it's the other end, but it's the same fabric. And as you can see, that's looking a lot better. Whether or not we're going to be able to remove these stains, it's doubtful. I think they've just been on there way too long. And unfortunately, the colour has damaged the fabric, but the rest of it is actually looking really, really nice. Right, that's the job complete. Unfortunately, with the cotton linen, when you do spill coffee, tea, red wine or whatever, the chances of complete removal are going to be slim. And as you can see, you can still see obviously where there was a spillage, but the rest of it looks really nice. We've cleaned it. We can remove the dirt, we can't remove the damage. And when we turn our attentions to this part of the headboard, hair oils, hair dyes over the years have migrated into the linen, and as a result, just like the tea or the coffee spillage there, we do have a permanent stain that cannot be removed. It's damaged the fabric, and the only thing you can do with that is replace the fabric. But that's a huge amount of expense, and it probably isn't worth doing. But there you have it, folks. It's looking a lot better.